Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. Have you ever wondered how far it is from one place to another? Google Maps make it easy to measure distance accurately. So let's walk through how to do it. First, open the Google Maps on your computer or mobile device. Now search for location using the search bar at the top. And once you search the location, right click on the starting point and a menu will appear. In this menu at the bottom you can see we have this option of measure distance. Click on it. Now click on the map to create a path you want to measure, and you can see here it's showing the distance between 2 points. And if you want to measure the distance between multiple points, each click will place a point along the route. You can adjust the path by clicking and dragging the points to match your desired route. As you create your path, Google Maps will automatically update the distance measurement in both kilometers and miles at the bottom of the map. And that's how you can measure distance on Google Maps. Whether you're exploring new places or planning your next adventure, Google Maps help you navigate the world with precision. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.